Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, today we are going to study kinds of nouns. In the previous class, I have taught you the definition of nouns and how to identify a noun in the sentence and types of the noun. So in the previous video, we have learned one type of the noun, proper noun, okay? And the remaining ones we will discuss today. So dear, let's see the first one, common noun. Okay, common noun. So student, what is the common noun? Okay, common noun is the name of any person. Okay, common noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing in general. Okay, common noun is the name of any person, any place, any animal, anything, but in general sense, not in specific or particular sense. If we talk about the specific way, that is a proper noun. But when we denote any name of the person, place, thing, animal, in general sense, the noun is known as the common noun. Okay, suppose that I am asking for a mobile. So mobile, what kind of mobile? Okay, you can give any mobile to me. Okay, so that word mobile, that is a common noun. But suppose that I ask for Redmi Note 9 Pro. So Redmi, so that is the specific name of a mobile. So that is why that is the proper noun. Okay. So I hope you have got the definition of the common noun very well. Okay. Now let's see the example. First one, boy. That is a common noun. Girl, this is also common noun. Pen. Okay, this is also common noun. Car, dog, school. Okay, these all are the examples of a common noun. Okay. Okay, students. So any doubt? Let's see some points about the common noun. It can be changed into plural form. Is that clear? We can change a common noun into singular and plural form. Okay? And the second point, it takes article a and the. We can use article a and the with the common noun. Is it clear? Okay. So I hope you have got all the points about the common noun. Okay. Now see the collective noun. What is the collective noun? Collective noun is the name of a collection of people, animals or things. Okay. Is it clear? Collective noun is the name of a collection. Okay. It is a group of, we can say group or collection of people, animals or things. Anything that is represented in the group, in the collection, that is called the collective noun. Okay. The first example is team. You know, group of players is called team. So this is a collective noun. Bunch, this is also a collective noun. People, it is also example of collective noun. Pride. Pride is a group of lions. Okay. Pride is the group of lions. So this is the collective noun. Gang, jury. Jury is a group of judges. Union, board. Okay. etc. So students, these all are the examples of collective nouns. Okay. Now see the fourth one, abstract noun. What is the abstract noun? So students, abstract noun is the name of idea. Abstract noun is the name of an idea, feelings, state or quality. Okay. Abstract noun is the name of an idea, feeling, state or quality. Okay. So let's see few lines, few important facts about the abstract noun. The first one, it cannot be touched. It means to say we cannot touch abstract nouns. Okay? We can only feel it. We can only feel it. Okay? Second point, it cannot be changed into plural. Okay? Abstract noun, okay, cannot be changed into plural form. Okay? It is used always in singular form. Okay? Third lines, it can be formed with suffixes. We can form abstract noun with the help of some fixed suffixes. Okay? Some fixed suffixes like ness, hood, is, and see. Yes, I will see. So there are some fixed suffixes that can be used to form a abstract noun. Okay? Let's see some example here. You have here the word mother, and when we add here hood, motherhood, that is a abstract noun. Bravery, that is the example of abstract noun, and that is a quality. Okay? You have heard the word friend, and when we add suffixes ship, friendship. Okay? Happiness. Okay? So you can see I have add some suffixes like hood, ry, c, and ness to form abstract noun. So you can form abstract noun with the help of these suffixes. Okay? Okay, students. So I hope you have got these all points very well. If you have any doubt, you can message me. So I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points. Okay? After that, we will continue the video. Okay? So your time start now. Note down. Okay, students. So I hope you have note down these all points that I have told you to note down. Okay? Now see the last one, the types of the noun, that is a material noun. Okay? So let's see what is material noun. So students, material noun denotes the matter, substance or metal of which things are made. Is it clear? Generally students, in material noun we talks about the 3 things. The first one, matter, substance or metal, okay, of which things are made. Okay? Let's see the example. Iron, that is a metal. Gold, it is also a metal. Milk, that is a substance. Water, brick. Okay? So these all are the examples of material nouns. Okay? So students, I hope you have got the types of noun very well. If you have any problem, any doubt, so you can leave a message in the comment box. You can also call me. Okay? So till then, watch the video, take the screenshot and note down these all points in your copy and revise all the concepts very well.